Hello friends, if you are looking for admission in NDT courses, either you're looking for courses in English language or in Hindi, you can join ANDT. Students from several parts of India and abroad such as Gulf, African countries and European countries contact ANDT Institute to take these courses either in online mode or in classroom mode. So if you want to attend classroom training, then we have institutes in several locations in India. You can talk to the counselor, you can contact our counselors, book your seat and then come and join in classroom. But if you're a working professional, if you want to save your time, then I would like to recommend you to join NDT courses in online mode, because this is most effective method and most cost effective method, because we provide the courses in live lectures, we provide courses through recorded lectures, and if you want to attend the lectures at any time, then recorded lecture is best mode for you. But there are candidates, they want to interact with the trainers in live mode. So friends, we have live classes in the morning time slot, we have live classes in the evening time slot, and if you want to take the classes as per your time schedule, then we have multiple trainers. Our trainers can teach you as per your timing. So if you want to get a customized timings for live lectures, you can contact our counselors. Our counselors will connect with you. They will guide you how you can do the courses, which method is best for you, either online, offline, live lecture, recorded lecture. One thing more, for example, if today you are attending courses through recorded lecture and after few months you want to repeat the course through live lecture or in the classroom, there is no extra fees. So in the same fees, you can repeat the course till another 5 years without paying a single rupee extra. One another thing, friends, at ANDT, if you are enrolling, then it is mandatory that you should learn, you have to learn. If you will not learn, our trainers will teach you unlimited time until you are becoming expert. So we are here to support you, to teach you, to counsel you, to make you grow in your professional career. If you want to know about the course fees, then the fees is given on your screen. You can go through it. There are several packages: NDT normal package, basic package, must package, most popular package and recommended package. In most popular package, there are 5 NDT methods plus 3 methods of quality control, such as QA/QC piping, QA/QC welding and QA/QC mechanical. QA/QC mechanical is further divided into 2 parts: static equipment and rotatory equipment. If you want to ask my suggestion that which package is best, then I would like to suggest you to go ahead with recommended package, because in this you are getting NDT 5 methods plus RTFI plus 3 methods of quality control. These are the total 9 certificates which you will be getting in recommended package, and this is best package for a beginner, for those who have not entered into NDT field. If I talk about job opportunities, then job opportunities are endless. If you want to ask me growth, then growth is endless. If you are following a career path given by me, if you're following a career path for 3 to 5 years, then I'll make you sure you will cross minimum 2 lakh rupees per month. Okay, so this is a very good field in which you can get a guaranteed growth. Friends, many people, they are thinking, always thinking. Many people contact us, they ask us, sir, what is the fees, when is the next batch, and then they tell, okay sir, we will tell you. What happens next? They forget to enroll, and then they spend several months, even sometimes 2 years, 3 years, and after 3 years, 2 years, they contact us and they say, sir, I'm on the same position, what should I do? I'm not rising. I say, you need to take decision. Friends, if you have budget problem, if you have any problem, then just proceed with the smallest package. Okay, you can proceed with the normal package, you can enter into the industry, you can earn, and then you can do more courses. But if you have budget, then you can start with recommended package. This is my suggestion. Most important is to take decision and enroll into the course today only. Our process is very simple. You just need to install ANDT India application from Play Store. This is available for Android devices as well as iOS devices. If you ask about the course duration, then the course duration will totally depend upon you. The more time you invest, the less time the course will take. So friends, I'll not take much more time. I'll wrap the session, and my final advice to you: don't take time, take decision, join now and grow in your career.